Hi everyone, welcome back to the CAD FX channel. Do you know what Civil 3D points are, and how they're different from regular AutoCAD points? Simply put, Civil 3D points are smart markers that store important location and elevation data. In this video, I'll show you how to create them, control them, and use them effectively in your projects as an introduction. Have you ever wondered what makes AutoCAD points different from Civil 3D points? They might look the same, but they serve very different purposes in civil projects. AutoCAD points. AutoCAD points are simple markers with X, Y coordinates and with Z value. They don't carry extra data and are mainly used for basic drafting. While useful for simple drawings, they aren't intelligent and can't interact with other design elements. Civil 3D COGO points. Civil 3D COGO points are smarter. They store northing, easting, elevation, descriptions, and a unique point number. They can be styled, labeled, managed, and even exported to survey equipment. For example, when designing a road, COGO points let you build surfaces, define center lines, and share precise data with construction teams, making them essential for any civil project. In Civil 3D, a COGO point, or coordinate geometry point, is a basic point object used to represent a specific location in your drawing, usually tied to survey or design data. Okay, let's check how we can create and import points into Civil 3D. You can create points manually by specifying coordinates, generate points from objects like lines or polylines, or import points from survey files such as CSV, TXT, or LandXML. You can also convert existing AutoCAD points into Civil 3D points and even generate points from surfaces, which is useful for grading and design. And there are many tools in Civil 3D to create points. You can choose the ones that best fit your project requirements and available resources. Point editing. Once points are created, you can edit them individually or in groups. You can change their coordinates, elevations, or descriptions, and even update their styles. Civil 3D keeps all the changes linked, so your drawing stays consistent. Point control. Civil 3D allows you to control how points are displayed using point styles, like the symbol you see, and point label styles, like the text showing elevation, description, or number. You can adjust visibility, size, and labeling to make your drawing clear and professional. Point grouping. Points can be organized into groups based on criteria such as range of point number, description, elevation, or using a few groups and including or excluding the above things. Groups make it easier to manage large sets of points, apply styles in bulk, or filter points for specific tasks. Point export. Finally, Civil 3D points can be exported to survey equipment or files like CSV or LandXML. This is useful for staking out points in the field or sharing data with other engineers or construction teams. And the exported data can be reused in Civil 3D for another design or anytime you need it, according to your project requirements. Once you've created or imported points in Civil 3D, you can use them throughout your project in many ways. You can build surfaces from point elevations to understand existing or proposed terrain. Points can guide alignments, road center lines, or grading designs. They can also be used for staking out locations in the field, ensuring construction matches your design. Additionally, point data can be referenced for quantity calculations, analysis, or as a base for future projects. Essentially, Civil 3D points act as a backbone for design, planning, and construction, keeping your project accurate and well organized. In this video, I explained what a Civil 3D point is, how it's different from a regular AutoCAD point, and the various ways you can create, edit, and export points. I also showed how to use this point data in your projects. Civil 3D points are a powerful tool that help keep your project accurate, organized, and efficient. I hope this video gives you a clear introduction to what Civil 3D points are. In the next video, we'll start from the very beginning and explore Civil 3D points in more detail. Okay, Stay tuned to the CAD FX channel to learn tutorials like this, along with many more tips and tricks for different software.